Well, want to freshen up your beauty kit? Fashion and beauty expert Carly Ostroff joins us now with her top trends for spring.
Yes, so the first trend that has everyone talking in skincare is retinol. And I think a really great place to get started is Neutrogena's retinol collection, and I'll say specifically the night cream. So this one works to combat aging skin by targeting those fine lines and dark spot with the custom retinol vitamin A formula. And if you want to go ahead and test this on your hand, you'll see that it's really hydrating.
Okay, and what does retinol do?
So retinol is a vitamin A, and it helps promote cell turnover. And at night, that's when our skin repairs, so it's a really great time to use it. You can see it's really hydrating.
And it doesn't have an overwhelming
It's fragrance-free,
yeah.
yes. And so this one's great for nighttime. I really also like the face and neck cream as well as the eye cream because that one just works wonders on those dark circles and those fine lines. This is all from a dermatologist recommended brand, so I think you can feel good about adding any of these products into your skincare routine, and they're all available at Shoppers Drug Mart.
Now, do you necessarily have to buy the whole line, or can you just kind of pick and choose?
I think you can pick and choose. You can definitely go for it all, but you can say, okay, I need a new moisturizer. This is a great option to add in. When you need a new serum, go there as well.
Okay. We're upping our hand washing game. Still lots of hand washing. So important.
So it's all about heavy hitting hydration. It's not just about our faces. We want to think about our bodies. We're all looking for that good fix. This is it. This is Dove's Advanced Care Deep Moisture Hand Wash, so it hydrates hands, knuckles, palms, and cuticles. They all smell amazing. I have to say, though, the vanilla and shea butter is just a little luxury for every day. And this one works to nourish skin 10 layers deep, so you'll find that your hands feel so much softer and smoother than before.
So you don't have to have that, you've got to wash your hands and then moisturize it afterwards.
All in one,
a step.
yes.
Okay. Love the sunglasses. And we need them this morning already.
Yes, so the warmer weather is here, and it's the perfect time to think about must-have eyewear. And Specsavers is really my favorite. It's my go-to because they really deliver on value, style, and selection for every occasion and lifestyle. There are 1,500 styles to choose from, as well as new options that launch every 3 months. And one thing I love about Specsavers is you can shop the Specsavers brand, which is great for style and quality, but you can also look for some really unique options. So I brought some from top designers like Marc Jacobs, which I have over here. There's Karen Millen and Tommy Hilfiger. And they also have emerging designers like ones to watch. So I brought Liberty London over here. There's Alex Perry, a new exclusive line with Adidas. And they're all about that affordable price point. So there's hundreds of frame styles starting at $69, which is amazing. There's now 60 stores actually across Canada. So to find the one closest to you, you just want to check out specsavers.ca.
Okay, so these are prescription glasses, but do they sell regular sunglasses as well?
Yes, absolutely. You can kind of find it all.
Okay, and then lashes. What's behind those glasses?
Yes, so when you're going to take off those sunglasses, this is Ardell's newest, boldest, longest length collection yet. So it's big, beautiful lashes. It's all about that voluptuous volume, those captivating curves.
These are very, very big lashes.
Yes, their lengths so long, they practically touch your brows. And so these come lifted and multi-layered, so you get that larger than life effect. I see it being really great, like we were saying before, for a fun event. And they're about $8 at Walmart, so you can really have fun experimenting.
Okay, and are they fairly easy to apply if you're not used to wearing false eyelashes?
Yes, I always struggle. These are so easy. It comes with the glue, so it's everything you need kind of in one box.
Okay, all right. We're freshening up our beauty kits then. Thanks very much.
Thanks for having me.
We'll get your socials up on our website at chch.com/morninglive.